She sold. Refurbished antique. I love it. $100. Woo-hoo. So I only paid $20. I flipped her for $100. Hello. Hi. So, trash to treasure. I pulled this little bench out. Check out this bench. Look at. That's nice, right? I'm gonna sand the top down, sand it all down, and I'm gonna wood burn on it. So this was thrown in the trash, okay? If I wood burn on this, a nice mermaid is gonna be worth $100. At least that. So watch what I do. Check it out. It's nice, lightweight. I could resin on the top so that you can put it outside. I don't know, then it would be worth more money. Resin's expensive. So what do you think? A nice mermaid? All right. Just a little sanding and you can redo anything. Just sand it down and paint it. This is going to take a while. All right, we need something stronger just to get the, you know, the paint up. It's not a lot of paint. It's most of that. Looks, oh man. How do I get this on? There's some burn marks, but that's okay. So that must be why somebody threw it out. Can you see the burn marks? So, but that's okay because I can just sand them down. There's quite a few of them. So that's probably why they threw it out. Okay, so she is sanded. I did not get the burn marks totally sanded down. So the burn marks are still there. So I have another idea. Instead of trying to get that down, which I could. I really could get that up if I wanted to. I just have another idea. So this is what I'm going to, this is my reference. So I'm going to draw her out. There's a close-up of her face. So I'm going to draw her out. Oh, the idea. Anyway, so I'm gonna wood burn her first, and then I'm gonna like do some sponge art, which will make it look like coral even, or just I think the sponge. I'm gonna do I'll do some sponge art all the way around her. I think would look really nice. That's my idea. That will help with the burn mark situation. Because that is an issue, and that must be why they threw it away. I couldn't even see it, though. Like, I don't know, because it was painted. So anyways, it's not like it's deep. They're not burned so bad that it's in, you know, in the wood, like, or anything. So I got a nice, fresh pencil. Nice and fresh. Is it broken? It is. Are you kidding me? It's broken already. Okay, so this is the hard part. This is the hard part. This is the hard part. So her head is gonna be like shoulder, shoulder. So now, can you see any of that? Is that even showing up at all? Sorry, folks, we'll figure this out. It didn't take as long as I thought. But here, check it out. So I did a sand dollar instead of a big star. I'm gonna do a sand dollar. I don't know, I kind of like that idea. And I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but I just do it. I just start doing it, and I don't know how it's gonna come out. I just get the outline done at least, and then just go make it up as I go along, because I'm gonna need some kind of her scales and stuff. So, okay, ready? I gotta get ready. I'm starting out with this tip here. I'm gonna use that one first. So, I'm not really getting off to a very good start here. I don't know. It's taking a really, really long time to just get that little bit done. It's, I wish I could get a wood burner that's really hot, like hot. That really works good. So if anybody has a wood burning tool that they know about that works, like burns nicely, let me know, because I think these cheap ones, I don't know. I think I need to get myself a better one. I've tried different ones. So it takes a long time. A long time. So that's why my tables are like $100. Because it takes such a long time. Like, you can kind of like see, I'd love to be able to just go, you can't. It's like I gotta really dig in there, hold it for a minute there. Oh man. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so my hand is like killing me big time. I took a break. My thumb, my wrist, this does hurt really bad when you do it for a really long time. So this is my little doodle that I did. I came up with when I was a kid, and I did it on another mermaid, and she sold so fast. And I did it loosely and quickly because, one, I wanted it to be quick, and two, it doesn't have to be perfect. Three, I can't imagine doing this wicked small. And I wanted to be big because she's bigger, so I just did it loosely, and then just lines here, and then I went really kind of scrubbed into it. But this thing takes a while. I gave her a little belly, like, because it was too flat and straight, so I gave her a tiny little belly there, which I don't know if I kind of screwed that up, because now it looks, I think, she has too much of a belly. Maybe that pencil is screwing me up, but yeah, I don't know. I gotta fix something here. I know I did a boo-boo there. You can see it. I don't know, something's not right. I feel like this has to... I have to darken that up right in there. Darken this up. I gotta do... Her hair is gonna take forever. I'm gonna get the big circular one for her hair. As a matter of fact, I might get it now just to switch positions. Switch, move, you know, do something different with my hand. And go through her hair. Alright. What do you think? Okay, I'm using this one now. Which I think I gotta clean it off somehow. I don't know how. Do her hair. Comes out of you. I need recommendations. This thing's terrible. This is terrible. I've already broken tips. Like, this is doing absolutely nothing. It's doing nothing. Forget it. Freaking forget it. I need recommendations on what to use as wood burners. I need new wood burning tools. Because this is terrible. Well, I don't quit. I won't give up, but it's taken a long time, and I wish I had something that's better than this. So this is just truth. I need to get a new wood burning tool. So this one, if you let it heat up, this one's working pretty good. It'll work really good for like a minute. You gotta let it heat up. But this is more, I kind of like how that's working. I finally got it to work. You have to let it sit for a minute for some reason. See, it's not working right now. I gotta let it sit. That's alright. I'll get there. Okay, I'm liking how her hair is coming out. This thing isn't too bad. It's just kind of gonna wait and let it, like, once you use it for a while, it stops being so hot. I know, it's kind of weird, but... So you just push through, and I like how it's coming out. It is coming out pretty cool. I do like her. I think I need a little bit more work in her hair. But it's going to take a while. It takes a while. I'm pushing through. I don't care. Hours upon hours. I have to take breaks. My hand's killing me. But, I like it. It's coming out good. It's really hard to do. But when you want to make money and you want to have fun and you want to create, you can start problem solving and figuring things out. That's one thing art does, is problem solve. Problem solving. If anybody knows of a good wood burner, I'm gonna find out what's the best one. I gotta YouTube it. YouTube has good information. Yeah, let me know what you use for a wood burner tool. See, it stops working, so then I gotta let it I gotta use the other one. I go back and forth. And I'll do this one again. I kind of go back and forth. Should have just did I should have did it from up here. Maybe I'll go this way. Oh. I need someone here. Oh boy. Ow. Oh, it's in my hands. Oh. Ow. Look at what happens to my hand. So there she is. I used this for polyurethane. That's a clear set. I like to use gloss. I like gloss myself, but she came out pretty good. What do you think? She's still wet. As you can see, I sponge painted her. I didn't get to show it because I did it vertical, not landscape, but I used some sponges and some Deco Art Gold and sponged it. She looks good. See, she's a nice little bench now. Definitely worth $100 all day long. That's what I say. So here we go. This table just sold for $80. I sold it for $80, free on the side of the road, and I just painted. Everybody loves mermaids. You can't go wrong with a mermaid. It's like, how can you not like mermaids, man? And I sponge arted her. It's quicker and easier because my hands are a mess and they're really bad. I've had a lot of surgeries and I can't do the wood burning like I love doing, so I tried painting instead, and she just sold for $80, so I'm psyched. Okay, so this table right here was an antique, like falling apart antique. I should show you the before. I don't know if I'll have to search. But this piece isn't, I haven't sold it yet, but that's because I haven't pushed it. I haven't put it on Marketplace yet or anything. I'm going to put it on Marketplace. I haven't put it out there yet, so, but this should sell quick. It's a really nice piece. But yeah, I gotta post it. If you want to sell it, you gotta post it. Or show it to people you think will like it. Show your friends, and all of a sudden they'll be like, what? As a matter of fact, this table was a gift, because once they find out you flip tables and you're making money flipping tables, you get gifts. Hey, you want a table? I found this table for you. Look what I found. And look at it. That's beautiful. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it gave you some ideas. And if so, share it with a friend. Like, comment, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.